Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the whisper and shout commands in Mumble when you want to announce something to a large group of people, like when I do the audio checks. That's when you use the shout command. And if you want to just whisper to just the instructors, which you'll see me sometimes do, you use the whisper command. And you connect it to a shortcut to a hotkey just like we often do. Alright, let's go ahead through that process. The way you do this, you click add. And let's say we're going to do a shout first. So we're going to choose whisper/shout. We're going to change this to shout to a channel. And in order to announce something to the entire class, it has to go to the vor method group class. And you shout to the link channels and you shout to subchannels. And then finally you pick a shortcut and you pick whatever shortcut you want. And that's, for me, I use the pause break command, but you can use anything you want to. Now, suppress means if you push that button anywhere else, it won't work anywhere else. So use that very carefully. All right, let's talk about how to whisper. By the way, if you want to be able to shout to Chelsea's channel, then you would also need to have another shout button that goes just to Chelsea's classroom. Notice that Chelsea's classroom is not automatically linked to the vor method group class. All right, that probably realistically only applies to Chelsea. All right, let's talk about how you do the whisper command. Whisper command's a little bit, it's not quite as convenient as the other one. You just basically add the users, and when they're not there, it goes into this ridiculous format. And sometimes you need to re-add a user a couple times. For the instructors, you shouldn't really have to re-add something more than maybe once or twice. But when you do that, you click whisper to a list of users, and then you just add the users individually. So that's basically it. That's how you use the whisper and shout commands. Whisper is to communicate secretly with instructors, and shout is to announce something to the entire group.